kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about today's unboxing. If you guys watched my last video where I unboxed the new JuJuBe Once Upon a Time lilac and indigo bags, I will link it right here, but I couldn't stop talking about this collection that I've been waiting on. So it just arrived. I have the new JuJuBe Whitney Carson Beyond Collection collaborations in this box. I am so excited because I am absolutely obsessed with the Beyond collection. And I did want to mention this collection is available for purchase on the JuJuBe website, and I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys, so you can shop through that anytime. And I really appreciate it when you guys do. Make sure to let me know if you do use my link so I can thank you guys. But I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and open this. I know there are 3 new colors in this box. We have black coffee, spice, and vanilla. And one of the things I really love about this collection is how it's like so geared towards coffee. If you guys know me, you know I love coffee. So my favorite new color from this collection, I'm not sure. I think they're all gorgeous, but I especially love vanilla and spice. But I also am obsessed with my caramel Million Pockets backpack, which is the only thing I have from this collection so far, besides what's in this box. But I just love that bag, you guys. It is so nice. Ugh, man, this tape is like tough today. So I did get some of every color in this box. There we go. Told you this tape is tough today. I may have to put it down. This is a 12-pound box, and oh my gosh, everything is so nice. I love it all so much already. Okay, so here's my tag that helped me remember all of what I ordered here. I have a Million Pockets backpack, and if you guys haven't already watched my video for the review on that and on the body, I will link it right here. That's for the caramel latte color. I also have their new 24/7 tote in vanilla. I have their day to night crossbody bag in vanilla and in the spice color. I also have coffee break wallet, which is basically, they're calling it the coffee break wallet, but it's basically the Be Charged, but like way nicer. And you guys know I am obsessed with my Be Charges, so I'm really excited. I got that in all 3 colors. I could not resist. You guys know how much I love those. So yay, let's get to it. This may take a bit because everything is so well packaged. Can you guys see how well packaged everything is? They all have their own bags. They all have the nice paper. Wow, that's bigger than I thought it was. This is gonna need its own review. Oh, I love these. This is gonna take so much time. I may have to like unbag something and then tell you what I think and like edit a lot out because this is gonna take me a while. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna put this down and go through each thing. Here we go. So this is the vanilla crossbody bag. And I cannot wait to see it. I love this new style. Oh, it feels so nice, you guys. Like, this is a vegan leather, like a really, really nice vegan leather. And it feels so realistic and soft. I just love it. Oh, and I just love the hardware. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it so much, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. Isn't that gorgeous? So when I first saw this color, I thought that it looked white or off-white. It is definitely like the color of creamer almost, like a very, very pale peachy tan, if that makes sense. It is super pretty. I love this color though. I really, really love this. Oh, I'm so excited about this part. One of the reasons I really wanted this collection is the hand sanitizer holders. They are so cute. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that the cutest little thing ever? One of the things I love is that it actually comes with a dispenser. So you can fill it up with your Bath & Body Works or whatever you want to put in there. Isn't that just adorable? I love it. It is so cute and it looks really well made. Oh, it's detachable. Woohoo! I can put that on so many different things. Look, you guys, if you don't have a JuJuBe bag or you have other JuJuBe bags, you can just take this off and clip it onto another bag. That is awesome. I love that. Okay, so, oh my goodness. I gotta open all the pockets. Oh, no way! This can be used as a diaper bag? It comes with its own change pad, you guys. This is awesome. Okay, so the front pocket here had the change pad in it. It also has a zippered pocket in the back. Ooh, the zippers are nice. I am so overly excited about this, but I can't help myself. It's so nice. Oh, you guys, it has a magnetic closure, look, on the top, and it has more organization on the inside, including this nice strap. It's like a crossbody strap. This has way more going on in it than I thought it did. I cannot wait to review this one. This is the inside pocket of that compartment with the snap. Oh, I love it. Oh, and there's another zipper. Okay, this pocket is just empty, but there you go. I want to show you guys all the pockets on this crossbody bag. This is awesome. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, see, I knew I was going to take way too long unboxing these, but it's so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm way excited. And I am going to go ahead and pull this one out. It is the same style bag, so I'm not going to go through it like I did with the other one, but it is the spice color, which is super gorgeous. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I love it. Oh, and the tag, like, I have to show you guys. See the tag here? It actually matches the color of the bag with the gold. I love that. They did so much attention to detail with this collection, you guys. And I'm just loving the texture on the front and the back of this bag. That's the front. That's the back. There's my hand sanitizer holder. That's so cute. If you guys wanted to see that in this color, in the spice color, here it is. It's adorable. And it does have like the word JuJuBe embossed on it there. It's really cute. Oh, I love this. I cannot wait to take this. You guys know I'm a minimalist, so packing bags that are smaller like that is like more fun for me and more functional for me. So I take that everywhere, but here's my beach charges. Well, I guess they call them coffee break. So let's go ahead and open it. This is the black coffee color. Oh, I love the little, like, the way that they packaged these is even really nice. Just these little wallets. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh, this one's gonna go with absolutely everything. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels like a real leather wallet. It's like smushy and I love it. Okay, so it's just like the Be Charged. Can you guys see that? See the detailing there? And then this is the other side, basically identical. And then you have the empty space in the middle. I love these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that that came like that. And then I have one in vanilla and one in spice. I'm not sure if I want to spend the time opening these because you guys just saw this one. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you in the vanilla just because it might be easier to see. But I really wanted to see the black one in person too because that one's literally going to go with everything. All right, this one's going to go really good with all my pastel Tote stuff. There you go. It's so cute, so nice. I love it. Ah, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. I love this stuff. Ooh. I think I'm going to go through that bag last. Oh, good. I'm not going to spend way too much time doing this. I'm already at 10 minutes. Ah! All right. So this is their Million Pockets Deluxe Backpack. As I mentioned, I already reviewed this bag, but when I saw it in this colorway, I needed it in spice, you guys, because this color is just to die for. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And it looked like, yeah, there it is. Oh, there's a tassel like option with this bag, which I was super excited about because that just really ups the notch of how sophisticated bags feel to me when you have a little detail like this. So here's the tassel. Isn't that super cute? It even has a little JuJuBe charm on it. I love this. So where would I put it though? Would I put it, I guess I would, whoop, I guess I would put it on the front here. Yeah, like this. Oh, it's so cute now. Okay, here is the Million Pockets backpack in Spice. So cute. I'm obsessed. I may have to take this to the zoo this weekend. I love it. If you guys want to see how this bag packs, definitely check out the video I linked before, because I'm not going to be doing a whole nother review on this bag unless you guys highly request it, okay? But it is gorgeous in this color. I love it. Let me know what you guys want me to do. But there is a bag in here that I am definitely planning. Here's the bag, by the way. Super nice. This is just, let's get rid of that. There's also stroller clips that come with this bag. But there's a bag in here that I really, really want to review first. So, and I'm definitely reviewing one of these. So you guys let me know. Woo, so much stuff. Which one of these do you guys want to see packed up and reviewed? Do you want the spice or vanilla? Let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely reviewing one of those colors. All right, so here's the 24/7 tote. I've been so excited about this one because it's a new style, and I love this color vanilla. It is so pretty. Oh, it's so classy looking, and I love the size. I love it. All right, I gotta take off this so I can explore the bag a little bit. Expose those rolled handles that are so pretty. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys the front. This is the 24/7 tote. It does not have any feet. I kind of expected it to for some reason, but it does not. So there's really not too much going on the outside. You do have a front quilted pocket though. What is this? What is going on here? This is cool. It's not even a pocket. This is neat. This whole front pocket, it looks like it's a pocket and you can use it that way, but literally it comes out and it's its own little, it could literally be a clutch for the night. That is really cool and nifty. This is what it looks like without that though, by the way. I definitely think it looks better with it. But if you don't have that on, it is just an empty pocket in the front. But if you do, I really like the look of it. It looks like a little envelope. It's really cute. That's neat. I love things that like surprise me like that. Let's go ahead and unzip the top. Once again, really smooth zippers. All right. It's really overcast today. Okay. So this bag does come with a change pad. Looks like the sun's struggling to come back out. So it comes with a change pad, which looks like this. It is a memory foam change pad. I really like the inside. So this is what the inside looks like, you guys. I'll flip it too, so you can see the other side. I'm definitely gonna do a review on this one because I have been dying to. It is so cute. All right, you guys, that is my unboxing, but I do wanna know from my unboxing today, what was your favorite style? Do you really love the new 24/7 tote? I love the size of it and the color. It feels super classy and looks so cute. And I just love this material so much. So I really like this one. I also am obsessed. I'll pick up this one since it's a different color. I'm obsessed with this crossbody, you guys. It is so jam-packed full of like compartments and things like that. And it even has a change pad. Like what? I love this one. And then I also have this. This is the Million Pockets backpack. These are all amazing, you guys. Amazing! It's still my very favorite JuJuBe collection ever, but I really love this Whitney Carson collaboration that they did. It's just really, really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see packed up, reviewed, and on the body. Thanks for watching.